So this little bad boy was the original 350 that was put in the Green Camaro. It was on that engine stand, but we're trying to clean up the garage a little so we have some more room during the winter months so we can fit two projects in at the same time. So figured we'd just throw it onto a dolly, which we'll put a bag over it, seal it up. When we get time, we'll be able to shove the borescope down, take a look at the cylinder walls. The original problem was there was a tapping to almost a slight knock under load. Suspicion is a lifter. Didn't pull the caps from the rods. Don't think we're going to. I think we're going to just put a new set of lifters and a new camshaft in and see where it takes us. One of the problems we did notice is even though the heads are numerically matched, the push rod ports are different, which definitely gave some slop. If you notice, we have the smaller diameter ones here, and then we have these ones here. So you can see these bigger diameter let the push rods come off of the rocker arms on this side, especially the number 8 cylinder. So that could have been a contributing factor. Maybe the number 8 lifter got damaged. I don't know. So that'll be another project for the spring.